If you're buying or selling a home, you know I'm going to tell you, you have to be calling those Callaways because they are going to make this so much easier. And of course, we have back with us Joe Coleman to tell us about another amazing home.
Absolutely. We've got a wonderful 85254 property on 68th Street, and this is just a special property. It's a 4-bedroom, nearly 3,000 square foot house.
Oh, wow.
Got an open floor plan, designer finishes. Every inch of this house has been remodeled and updated. All new doors. I mean, it's just a beautiful property. It's got a great backyard that's all been perfectly landscaped, pebble finish pool, a finished shed. It's just a wonderful backyard, just really room for everything. And the best part about the house, or at least my favorite part about the house, is the 1,100 square foot garage on top of the 2-car garage that you have for parking the cars. So
seriously?
Absolutely. It's a tall garage too. It's air conditioned. It's perfect for hobbyists. It's perfect to park toys in. I mean, it's just a really great addition to the property. There's RV hookups, multiple RV hookups on the property. It's a really great property that you have to come see. I could just go on and on about this one.
I was going to say, and you got me because it's in my favorite zip code. So what is the price going for this one?
It's going to be $1,350,000.
Okay.
And it's really it's a great property. Like I said, it just has everything. We've got 2 other properties coming on the market though this week too as well. So, you know, just stop by the open house on this one though, because it's, like I said, I could just keep going on and on. It's a must see. You really have to come tour the house.
Yeah, everybody does need to check that one out. And like I said, it's going to go quickly. And so, but they can call you and get lined up with, there's so many different homes that I know that you can try to get them the perfect home for them.
Oh, absolutely. Anywhere across the valley, just call us and we'll help you find your perfect house.
All right, well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.